So this is the kidney sheet dissection, and first we'll go over the outer surfaces. The renal capsule is the surface that covers the kidney, and then we have the renal hilum, which consists of the veins, and it's the concave surface that's right here. Then we have the renal artery, which is here, and then the renal vein, and then here's the ureter coming down. The renal artery carries blood from the kidneys to the abdominal aorta, and this actually is 1/3 of the cardiac output. And then the renal vein carries the deoxygenated blood away from the kidney, so it drains the kidneys. And then we will go on to the inner surface. The darker surface here is the renal cortex, and this is the outer portion, and it functions to filter the urine, and it produces erythropoietin. And then the medulla is the inner portion, and it is darker, and this contains the structures of a nephron that help absorb the sodium and to maintain balance in our body. And then you can't see the glomeruli on here. Sometimes you can see it in dissections. It's different colors like blue and pink. And then we have the renal columns. They're pyramids that are right here. They're kind of hard to see just because the tissues are kind of covering it. But they help anchor the cortex, and these are in between the pyramids. Oh, excuse me. Those are the pyramids, and then the renal columns are in between there. And the renal pyramids are the cone shape, and that transport urine from the cortical part of the kidney. The renal papillae are kind of underneath here. You can kind of see it better over here. They're kind of horizontal, and they empty urine into the minor calyx. And then there is the minor calyx and the major calyx, which collect urine from the papillary ducts, and the minor is underneath, and then the major is on top. And then the renal sinus is the portion that's right underneath here. And then that is all for the inner surface anatomy of the kidney.